Hello and a warm welcome back. Today on the bench is a big green amp. Just thought I'd share this odd fault with you. There's the amplifier. Can you see anything wrong? I'll point you at this scope. And a young lass was on about the oscilloscope. This is as analog as you can get. It's a Tektronix 545B. Made in 1969, 70 something, so it's very analog, hasn't got any digital McGubbins on it. Hurrah! So, I zoom you in, and I think because of all the horrible sunshiny stuff, hopefully you can see that. I can't see bugger all on the viewfinder. So we've got a sine wave of 1.8 volts RMS with a total harmonic distortion of nearly 9%. And as you can see, we've got some sort of craziness going off on the bottom there. If I knock it down to 20 Hertz, oh, we haven't got that. It's still pretty hideous. It's 14% THD, and if I bang it up a bit, frequency 20 kilohertz, as you can see that it's distorted. I'm now going to go and fix the problem, and we've now got a distortion of 2%, which is still not brilliant, but let's go back. Frequency 1 kilohertz. As you can see, the sine wave is a lot better now, and we've got a total harmonic distortion of 0.5%, where before it was 9%. And now I will show you how I fix the fault. So over here we've got a 12BH7 dual triode as a phase splitter. All I did is move it. So what I should do, I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to show you on the scope. Oops, if I can get it to stay still. See, I'm just jiggling it a little bit. The other one doesn't do it. If I move the scope over, right, I'm just going to wiggle that, and I'm going to point you at the scope. Wiggle, 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 nothing. So the moral of the story, before you go looking for like complicated causes of a fault, check the valve bases, because as you saw, they can do some very strange things. It's probably only one pin, or no, who knows. Anyway, that valve base, as I probably mentioned before, has got to come out. I've tried cleaning it, but yeah, it's just a interesting little fault. Just a bit of a short one this week, in case I don't manage to get the proper video out that I wanted to get out, because I'm sort of a bit busy. Thanks very much for watching. Take care of yourselves. Ta-ra for now.